I'm going to show you how to make a program to have the McQueen, which is the smaller motorized vehicle, to follow a line. So go to your make code page. We're going to program it in Microbit. Go ahead and click New Project, and you can call it McQueen Line Follow. I'm going to hit Create. It has all your basic Microbit stuff, but in order to work with the McQueen, we have to add in blocks for the McQueen. So similar to our other AI program we work with, go down, scroll down and hit Extensions. So middle column, scroll down to Extensions, and you'll get this Extensions page. You're going to start typing in MaqueenUEEN, McQueen, and we'll hit Enter. You'll get two options, the McQueen or the DFR Robot McQueen Plus. We want the right one, the plus, so I'm going to click on that, and it adds blocks in. Now we're not actually going to code it out. Somebody already has created the code. I'm going to show you how to put it in a fast way. Go back to the home page, scroll down under where it talks about McQueen IR, it's infrared sensors, and right here it says code for McQueen. So I'm going to click on that link. It'll take you to a Google Doc with all of this coding written out. It's not in blocks, it's different. You're going to select all of it and copy, Control C. Go back to make code, and the code you just saw was in JavaScript. So in the top center, we always kind of do blocks, but you can also do JavaScript. Click this toggle. There is some programming in there already, so I'm going to highlight all of that and delete. And I'm now going to paste in the copied code that was read. Control V, and it pastes all of it in. Now that that's there, I'm going to hit my toggle in the top middle again, which is blocks, and it converts it into blocks. Okay, so that saves us a whole lot of time and effort putting all those blocks in. Go ahead and download this to the Microbit and put it on the McQueen, and it is now ready to drive and follow a line. Plus, we now have this coding that we can go back in and tweak stuff to make it respond better to the line, traveling the line, what happens when the line ends, things like that.